being with Simplilearn helps us to start thinking I'm not spending money, but I'm investing for a better future. Myself, Vijay Srinivasan. I'm based in Sydney for last 13 years. I'm married. I have a daughter who is 16-year-old, and my wife is a microbiologist, and she works in a pharmaceutical company. And I was working with HP until April. I started my career with a small company back in Bangalore as an accounts assistant, and later moved into Thomson Reuters. There I was more of a credit and risk evaluations person. Then I moved into GE as in GE Capital. And it gave me a lot of learning perspective from how to be a lean and Six Sigma driven approach in my day-to-day life. And then I started my career with HP in 2007 as a pricing lead for Greater Asia, leading pricing for Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and a lot other countries in Greater Asia region. That gave a lot of learning, and I wanted to learn how to do more of in-depth business analysis, and that's when I moved into Australia in 2012 as South Pacific pricing manager. And in my role as a digital transformation manager, I was able to adapt these agile methodologies which HP and a lot more large corporates promote strongly. I was referred to Simplilearn by one of my friends and I started doing Prince 2 with Simplilearn. What you call my case manager and my account manager in Simplilearn approached to me and said, "Hey Vijay, there are few insights which you can actually develop," and that's how I subscribed to this module, which came with CBAP as one of the integrated module in there. And it was very good about my case manager who was able to guide, and my case account manager who was able to collaborate with myself in knowing what exactly. The discussion was not about I want to sell this. No, it was more about what is your career aspiration. CBAP itself is an amazing module. I would recommend every person, be it who is focused on a business analyst role, or be it from just a processor in a team, to know, because it helps them to grow towards objective-oriented goals. First thing. Second thing, my learning experience on the CBAP module. Thankfully, I had this amazing trainer, live training, what happened on the weekends for me. And this was Vaibhav Pandey. Thank you to Vaibhav. He was very clear in articulating. He was amazingly paced, and also self-learning module is very well structured, and we get a lot of resources, reading materials in this Simplilearn app, which you can, before you go to bed, even 10-15 minutes or half an hour a day, if you could potentially listen, it takes a lot more. Rather than referring hundreds of books, this particular website itself and the tool gives you a lot more information and resources. So my hobbies, I do a lot of walk. Wilderness walk means hiking, and I also go on long drives. So I enjoy that a lot of time with nature, and my dog always accompany me. Apart from that, just having anywhere I have a mobile signal, I can normally, if I'm free, I normally read a book on Kindle, or if I don't have Kindle, this thing or something is not interesting for me to read, then I will just hop into Simplilearn app and do some free module and course to keep myself updated. as we grow, there is a lot more competition coming in. That's where middle-aged or senior professionals need to start learning how we can potentially use these skills